everyone, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great at home. But okay, so this is me, Vaishnavi Kulkarni, talking to you all here today, like this for the first time. Okay, as we all know that all of us are stuck in this weird pandemic named COVID-19. So unless the vaccine comes, we all just need to stay strong and fight against it. So, till then, instead of just blaming and complaining about the things that are going on, why not develop a positive mindset about it and just face it? It's been more than a year now, and I completely understand how boring it is to sit at home for such a long time, especially for our age group. Like, sitting idly doing nothing the whole day for so much of time is really a big thing. But this is what is really important right now for each one of us. I know it's very difficult, but yeah, this is what will keep us away from the virus and keep us safe. Okay, so let's just accept the reality as it is and give a fight tough against it. Okay, and I'm sure we can and we will do it. So, and anyways, why to worry? Not everything is locked down. The sunrise, the sunset, oxygen from the air is not locked down. Our creativities, our hobbies are not locked down. Our family time, our love, our friendship, our relationships are not locked down. Meditation, our prayers are not locked down. And finally, our hopes are not locked down. This is the best leisure time that we are getting. Let's make a proper, productive, and positive use of this. Just do whatever you wanted to do in your free time, but at home, because mask is better than the ventilator. Our home is better than the ICU. And as the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. I repeat, prevention is better than cure. So please take care of yourselves, follow all the instructions, the rules, okay, and please stay at home and take care of yourselves. Okay, so now coming to the main point, actually the main motive behind coming here and interacting with you all today was that I wanted to announce something. Actually, I had a thought of starting my own page where I would just be talking, or rather sharing my thoughts, my views on particular topics. Okay, it won't be a big motivational or inspirational channel at all, but yeah, as much as I can, I would surely try to share the knowledge, the thoughts that I have with all of you. It will be a very friendly channel, and let me clear that I won't be speaking on and only about a particular sector or topic, nothing like that. It would be a completely open channel. So yeah, this is a very small initiative from my side, and I hope I make it. Okay, I need your support for this too. And yeah, here comes the typical creators dialogue. So please do like, share, and follow and comment. What do you think about this? And yeah, just like it, just share as much as you can. So the name for this would be Happy Host. Okay, so yeah, let me know your views about it, and yes, please do support and share. Please follow. Thank you.